Type of earthing. System earthing. Earthing of live conductors. Equipment earthing. Earthing of non-current carrying metallic parts. Combined earth resistance. The combined earth resistance of all earth electrodes and earthing mesh or grid is kept at 0.5 ohm or less, and connecting all non-current carrying metallic parts and one end of live conductor of the coil of 25 kV side power transformer, current transformer, potential transformer, auxiliary transformer, buried rail, etc. হাহাকার শুনেও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে গঙ্গা তুমি গঙ্গা বইছো কেন? The bank of Ganges, the hopeless people are crying. Yet you are flowing silently, so silently, so silently. Go on. স্রোতস্বিনী কেন নাহি ও তুমি নিশ্চুপ জন্য দিন, তাহলে প্রেরণা দাও না কেন? উন্মত্ত ধরার বুকে সরসজ্জাকে আলিঙ্গন করা লক্ষ্য করে ভারতবাসীকে জাগালে না কেন?
HB bushing is twin numbers and LV bushing is also in twin numbers, but both are live. The 25 kV two bushings, one is given to our overhead conductors and other bushing is solidly connected through earth, and this earth is connected further to a buried rail, and from buried rail to railway track to act as neutral. It is called system earthing. Equipment earthing. The non-current carrying metallic parts is connected to earth. Here, transformer tank is earth to arrest leakage current and coil to body short circuit current.